In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find transactions in QuickBooks Online efficiently and accurately. Managing financial records can sometimes feel daunting, but QuickBooks Online offers a streamlined approach to locating the transactions you need, whether you're tracking expenses, income, or any other financial data. By the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate QuickBooks with confidence. To get started, you'll first need to sign in. Launch your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once there, you'll see a familiar sign-in button waiting for you. Go ahead and click on it to begin. After clicking sign in, it's time to choose your product. You'll want to select QuickBooks Online from the options presented. This ensures you're accessing the correct platform for our task today. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your username and password to ensure accuracy, since any mistake could slow down your process. Once you've verified that your information is correct, hit the continue button. This will bring you right into your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Now that you're in, what you're looking for is the magnifying glass icon, which is located in the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to finding specific information quickly and easily. Click on it to open up the search functionality. With the search dialog box open, you'll notice an option at the bottom named Advanced Transactions Search. This is a highly useful feature when you're dealing with a large volume of transactions or need specific information filtered. Click on this link to open up more precise search options tailored to meet your needs. Once you're in the advanced search area, you can start tailoring your search criteria. This section is incredibly versatile, allowing you to find transactions by date, type, amount, or even customer and vendor names. Whether you're looking for transactions from last month or trying to understand spending patterns over the last quarter, this tool provides the necessary filters to pinpoint exactly what you're after. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to locate transactions within QuickBooks Online efficiently. This skill is valuable for bookkeeping, ensuring transparent financial oversight, and providing peace of mind knowing you can access detailed financial records whenever necessary. If you're ever in doubt, remember that QuickBooks offers support options and a community of users who can provide guidance and tips. Thanks for tuning in today, and may your financial tracking be smooth and seamless.